Trig Lesson 1C. This lesson we are trying to determine, given three numbers, if we have a right triangle, an obtuse triangle, or an acute triangle. An acute has all acute angles, an obtuse has one obtuse angle, and a right triangle has one right angle. So what it tells us here is if we're looking at our legs and how it compares to the hypotenuse after we square and add them. If it's equal to, then it's a right triangle. If the legs squared and added are less than the hypotenuse squared, then it is an obtuse triangle. If the legs squared and added are greater than the hypotenuse squared, then it will be an acute triangle. So let's look at our three examples. We know that this is the hypotenuse, or C, because that is the longest side. So 21 squared plus 12 squared, or we're trying to figure out 24 squared. So 21 squared plus 12 squared equals 585. 24 squared is 576. 585 is greater than 576. And we see the legs greater than is going to be an acute triangle. Here's our hypotenuse. This side is 458. But you can't see that pencil. That's better. That side is 458, and 31 squared is 961. So 458 is less than, which would make it the legs less than the hypotenuse, and obtuse triangle. Ten, 26, and 24. 26 would be H, so 10 squared plus 24 squared. How does it compare to 26 squared? 10 squared plus 24 squared is 676, and 26 squared is 676. So these would be equal to each other, and when they're equal, it would be a right triangle.